The Caseology Nanopop case breaks free from the typical muted phone case palette, and that's exactly what makes it special for the Pixel 10 device. While most cases stick to safe blacks and grays, the Nanopop embraces vibrant personality with colorways that actually make you excited to pull out your phone. The color selection is where this case truly shines. Magenta Lychee delivers an eye-catching pop that's impossible to ignore, while Burgundy Bean offers a sophisticated blend of purple and red for those wanting something bold yet refined. The playful Blueberry Navy pairs a classic navy base with bright yellow accents, and even the Sesame Black manages to feel more interesting than standard black cases. These aren't just colors, they're conversation starters. Installation couldn't be simpler with a single-piece design, making it perfect for anyone who likes to rotate between cases or needs something easy to swap out. The Nanopop incorporates Caseology's airspace technology in all four corners and around the buttons, providing solid drop protection without adding unnecessary bulk to an already large phone like the Pixel 10 device. The textured grip along the sides helps with handling, though it's not as pronounced as some alternatives. Still, for a phone this size, every bit of grip assistance helps prevent those heart-stopping fumbles. At its price point, the Nanopop sits in the sweet spot between affordability and style. It's more expensive than basic options, but considerably less than premium alternatives, making it accessible for most users. If you're tired of boring cases and want something that reflects your personality while keeping your Pixel 10 device protected, the Nanopop delivers exactly that: vibrant style without sacrificing functionality.